How to log in Minecraft on PC. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open your preferred web browser and all you have to do is in the search address bar type down the Minecraft and hit enter. Now once done so, simply tap on the Minecraft option available at the top and navigate to its official website. Now here, you can simply see the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, account, tap on it. Now from the drop down, tap on the sign in or login option available there. Now, all you have to do is tap on the sign in with Microsoft option available. So now once you tap on it, you'll have to enter your Microsoft email, the one you used to buy Minecraft or migrate from Mojang, and enter your password and complete any two verification if enabled. You'll be redirected back to the launcher and logged in. If you originally bought Minecraft with a Mojang account, you must have migrated it to Microsoft, otherwise login won't work. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.